Hey guys, this is my Airsoft gun I just ordered. It came in on Friday. It's the M1928 Chicago Typewriter Thompson. This is the box it came in right here. I don't know if you can see that, but who cares? Just the box. When you get in the box, there's an unjamming rod in the box when you get it. Don't really care about that. 450 round drum magazine, which is fairly good. I like it. It is a high cap magazine. You have to wind it like this. You get 8.4 volt 2000 milliamp nice battery. Lasts you a pretty long time. I used it. It's alright. But this gun itself is really good. It's really accurate. The sights are adjustable right here. Move up, down. You can move them side to side too. This is ABS plastic. This isn't real wood, but everything right here is full metal, real metal. The gearbox is metal, but this is ABS plastic. It's not wood. Just ABS plastic, but it's a nice finish to it. The grip is pretty good. The have an orange flash hider. This is right here, if you can see that. Hold on. This is safe right here. This is fire. This, you have to switch right here. Semi-auto and full auto. They're both really accurate on this gun. This is the mag release. You push this up to get the mag out. Battery compartment is back here. You pull that lever out right here. Hold on, let me. I get it. Doing this with one hand, so it's pretty hard. Pull that out, and then yeah, it just comes out the battery compartment. This fits really well in there. You can get a 9.6 to fit in there. It's easy. This is licensed and everything. See, it has all the licensing and everything. And then on the other side, it should have some more. Yeah, right here. I don't know what the fuck that is, but whatever. This does absolutely nothing. This bolt right here. It's just for like decoration or whatever. This is the hop up, if you can see that. This right here is the hop up. You twist it up to get the hop up, then just leave it down for it to be normal. I like to leave it down. Everything on this gun is really nice. I like it. And it's just a really nice gun. The sights are nice. The plastic's nice. Everything is nice on it. Comes with a trickle charger in the package too. So, but I hate trickle chargers. I have a smart charger because they're so much better. So much better. I really like the barrel design on this, and it's pretty good. It looks kind of cool. And then I'll show you what the gun looks like with the magazine. Let me get the magazine in first. Looks like this with the magazine in it. 516 FPS with .12 BBs. I hate .12s. It's gonna break your gun if you use it in this, probably. But and 410 with .20 grams. .20 grams are good. I like .20 grams the best. So, and to load the round drum magazine, there's a little door right here. Just a little door. Hold on. You just dump the BBs in here. Then it should be all set. Then you have to wind it because it's a high cap. So yeah, that's my video. Like, subscribe, whatever. See you guys.